Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Minecraft Java, the matching Optifine build, and an Optifine account eligible for capes. Once you have those, run the Optifine installer and pick the profile you use for the game. Make sure to close Minecraft first so the installer can modify files. After installation, open the Minecraft launcher, choose the Optifine profile, and launch once to create the new configuration. This prepares the client for adding a custom or purchased cape. Once done with installation, log into your Optifine account dashboard and navigate to the cape upload area. You should prepare a PNG at supported dimensions, 64x32 or 64x64, and keep any transparent pixels where needed for cutouts. Upload the image, use the preview tools to adjust position, and save changes to your account. Make sure to relaunch Minecraft using the Optifine profile so the client requests cape data from Optifine servers. If you play on servers, check server-side cape support or compatibility mods. To finish, open Minecraft Optifine settings and ensure capes are enabled in video settings under quality. Then join a world. You should see the cape on your character. If it doesn't appear, clear the Optifine cache, log out and back into your Optifine-linked launcher account, and perform 2 fresh restarts of the game. This forces a fresh fetch of cape data. One key troubleshooting tip: if you use other mods or server plugins that modify skins, disable them briefly to isolate conflicts and confirm the cape works in a clean environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.